Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Zoology with Radeena. And first of all, I need to thank you all who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. And now, let's start the video. Today we are going to talk about birds. There are 10,000 types of birds in this world. Birds have feathers, and this is a peacock feather. Isn't it beautiful? This is my favorite feather. Feathers help them to fly, and they are warm-blooded and have a backbone, like you and me. All the birds lay eggs, and their babies come from eggs. Oh, I forgot one important point. Bird's home is nest.
Wow!
Do you know bat? Bat is not a bird, but it is a mammal like us. Some birds eat fruits, vegetables like parrot, and they are herbivorous. Some birds eat meat, fish, and insects like the special hunter eagle. Some birds eat everything like the blacky crow. Eating flesh, carnivorous. Eating fruits and vegetables, herbivorous. Eating everything, omnivorous. Oh, who is the stranger? This is Mr. Spider. Yeah! Some birds can fly very fast. And some birds can fly very fast. And the world's fastest bird is the green falcon. And some birds can fly very high in the sky, like the eagle. And some birds cannot fly very high, like the peacock. And it is very colorful. And some birds can travel to country, and they are called as the tourist birds. And the ostrich never can fly. This is the fastest bird, peregrine falcon. Do you know who is the smallest and largest bird is? The smallest bird is the hummingbird. Hummingbird has a long beak, and it can flap his wings very fast. And the largest bird is the ostrich, and it can run fast, and it cannot fly. This is the ostrich. This is the hummingbird. Some birds have special abilities, and all the birds can see very well. Pigeons can find their way back home if they get lost. Pigeons are known for sending messages to people. And the weaver bird can make beautiful nests. Eagles are very good hunters. This is the messenger pigeon. This is the architecture weaver bird. This is the hunter eagle. Now let's talk about parts of a bird's body. Here it is. This is its head and this is its eye. This is the beak and this is the feathers and this is the legs. This is the body and this is its tail and this is its wings.
Yes!
And this is the end of this video. And I think you learned something about birds today. And I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And never hurt animals, never ever in your life. Bye.